Just on site with Greg at a job, and we're going to be replacing the sand in a filter. We're also installing a new chlorinator, so let's take a look. Because the equipment is below the water level, we need to shut off valves to the equipment. Then cut off the existing pipework to make room for the new chlorinator. Heat and remove pipe from the existing valve. Then it's a matter of cutting the new pipe to suit. Making sure to properly clean and prime the pipework before adding glue. Then press and hold. Measure up and cut the next pipe to suit. I like to use pressure pipe on all my installations, not just those for pool heating. It's just easier to carry one type of pipe and fittings. Mount and install the chlorinator while the glue is drying. Then put the O-rings in place and use a silicone-based lubricant before installing the salt cell. Now the old pipework isn't straight, so you can use a heat gun to soften the pipework and properly align. Great job, Greg.